My name's Emily. I'm Mama and Papa's sixth grandchild. Mama was the closest thing to perfect. She was the most supportive person I knew when it came to our education, our sports, and extracurricular. Through rain and shine, she'll sit there and watch all our netball games, even when the weather wasn't suitable for her. To me, this shows how incredibly supportive she was of us grandchildren. Regardless of her situation, she always put us first. Ua whapea mai le Roma sfulwha whai upoe walu. A whai tātou te ola mo le rii. Ma a whai tātou te oti mo le rii. O le nei, pe tātou te ola pe oti, o I tātou I le rii. O le winga o le nei mau, o nā tātou maua se o langa le tū mau I le nei lalulangi. Tātou te le nonofo umi lava. E ngata le umi o lo tātou o langa, mo le a tātou o ese pēa oma le ola. Ai e iai lo tātou wha moe moe, ia Yesu ke riso, o le ola e le uma. E pei lava o mama, sa soi fua o ia mo le fitusfu mo le fitutau sanga. Ma e pei lava o le atupu I isi tangata oma, ua wala awina o ia e le atua e ulu atu I whaitutoa o le langi. Taylor. Talofa lava. Tis. Talofa lava. For those who don't know me, I am Mum and Papa's first granddaughter. So I feel it is my duty to say a few things in her honor. Our parents give us life, but our grandparents give us a sense of who we are and where we come from. This week, as we say goodbye to Mama, it hit me how incredibly lucky I have been to have my Mama with me for 20 years of life. Not only with me, but an integral close part of our lives. It's rare for grandparent-grandchild relationships to be so essential and so long-lasting. But then, Mama was that exceptional kind of person every single day of her life. E sere o kengi o mākou ka maiki, a mai spe a ngangu de whane. Leo mākou ke ola. Leo mākou whiola e ama whiololo fwoi de wha Samoa. Mam, ele ngalolo wha konguinga ia mākou I de whane. I whainga whe auma, ma le kausinga o mākou uma. O misia lau leo, ma lau wha konguinga o mākou, ai mai se mākou kenge. Wa le kukusane mākou mawhukanga mane ainga, ngā wa e le ai. Ai wa o whia wa e mapui ki ngā mawha ama I sa whenga I maoi. Saying our final goodbyes was and always will be hard. But knowing you're out of pain eases the pain I feel now that you're in a better place. As the sun sets upon this life and your body is laid to rest, I know you'll be safe and happy because God only takes the best.
Hello, Mama. I'm gonna miss you. If you know, my name is Falelima. O Mama lang sa whaingoa o whamanga. And Elisela o Molimau. I just want to say, on the behalf of Mama and Papa, thank you very much for what you guys done to us. And I will miss you, Mama, and I love you so much. God bless you, Mama.
Um, my name's Merita. Just Mama was one of the biggest parts of my life. Mama was the backbone of our family. I've never imagined a life if she's not in it, and my grandpa. These two are the biggest role models of my life. Mama was the type of person to hear everyone, especially us boys, for having long hair and long beards. Mama, one time, she told me and Papa to go and buy some cocoa, and we went. Mama told us to call before we go, and Papa said, no, not to call. We got to the place over in Southside, and the place was closed, and Papa goes to me, he doesn't want to go home. And I go, oh, why? I'm like, okay, can you help Mama? And on the way home, he didn't want to take the short way, he took the long way. And we got home, Mama can hear him for not calling before we go. And it sucks, they were never going to hear us again. I just want to thank you for everything that you've done for us. But I know that you'll always be with us. I always told myself that if I was to ever lose one of my grandkids, a massive part of me will break. And you leaving us was the most hurt I've ever been. Oh, I don't think any of us will ever be whole again, but I just miss you. A lot of people say that she's in a better place. A better place was with us, and not where she is now. Just a quick scripture. So, from the book of Psalm, chapter 23, verse 4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod, your staff, they comfort me. I know that everywhere I go in life, that you'll always be there. But I'm going to miss you heaps. Love you, Mum.
Yeah, well, we go 18. They love Patalang Yaku because non-Samoan speakers. And jokes are Samoan's not even that great. So I'm the second eldest grandchild, and known for as the Ulavale one out of my family. And my grandparents always saw the good in my heart. No matter how bad I was, teachers calling from school, getting dropped off even from the cops, and they always saw the good in my heart. So just want to say thank you, Mama, thank you, Papa. If it wasn't for you guys, I'll probably be in someplace worse. Me and my grandma, our birthdays are a day apart, so I'm the 20th of September and my grandma's the 21st. And then my little one here is the 22nd, but before my little one was here, me and my grandma used to celebrate it together all the time. And my Nana was always happy and a kind soul. All the boys I used to bring over from either it was rugby, if it was rugby or school or work, always welcomed them in. And for my rugby team that's here, the Stray Soldiers, my grandparents have the biggest love for you guys and our team. And, not much of Molimau, it's just a thank you, Ma. Misia love away. And I just got a quick song for you guys. The voices skip all the boys, they went straight to the girls, say, bear with me. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Thank you.
Morning. I'm the oldest grandchild. Heard of this one too. Unlucky for you, but the singing skipped me as well. It went to my brothers and sisters. But what I did get from my nana was the cooking part. Back in Oz, if mom's not cooking, then I am sometimes, and the cleaning part too. But when it comes to food, it's thanks to Mama. And that's why I'm growing sideways, so thanks. But the last time we spoke in person was when you were flying out to Samoa for Auntie Whalulua's special day, your sister. And you looked strong then. So I don't know why I couldn't hold back my tears when we said our goodbyes at the airport. All I remember was me hugging you and you whispering to me saying, don't cry or I'll cry. But the way you said it looked like you wanted to run me over with your wheelchair. Thank you, Mama. I'll never forget everything you did for us, especially me because I'm your ferret anyways. Remembering the tough love you gave me growing up, especially those bold patches you gave me with the kitchen scissors because we had no choice. All the times we couldn't stop crying when you fussied us but forced us to stop as if it didn't hurt. I wouldn't change a single thing at all. And I'll give anything to relive those moments again with you, just to have more time with you. I love you always, Mama. From the packed lunches of sushi, homemade sushi, and hot dogs, to the wooden spoon marks of love you left on our backs and faces. We'll never forget you, we'll always love you till we meet again. Manuelo Malanga, Mama, love you. Thank you.